So, ayan yung meter cluster niya with tire pressure monitoring, and it has 8-speed with dual clutch. Yan yung mga iba't ibang design niya. So, ayan. What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So for today's video, ang ipepresent natin ngayon ay ang M2 GL, which is the top of the line ng M2 2023. And then ang SRP niya is 1,498,000. So samahan nyo ako and let's review this car. So guys, this is the M2 GL 2023. It is a 1.5 liter engine with turbocharged. So highest horsepower is 177. So as you can see, napaka-futuristic ng design niya. So kami lang yung may brand na ganyan. And then here is the LED headlamps with daytime running lamps, plus the big emblem with logo. So, naka-V-chrome na rin siya. So, the color itself is called Starlight Blue. Okay. And then, punta tayo dito. So, yung gulong niya is two-tone chrome. And then, 235 by 55 Green 19 siya. Then they are all disc brakes. So ayan yung gilid. Ito naman. So ayan yung side mirrors niya with camera itself, and then LED na rin yung sign niya. So, ito yung handle. So, ito yung side doors natin sa unahan. So, as you can see, with green finish na siya. Green finish. And then, leather. Then, ito yung pang-open ng door. This is a European design. Then may auto lock and unlock, plus ambient light here. So 2 speakers sa unahan. So here 1 and 2. And then kung mapapansin naman natin, yung seat niya ay power seat na. Then dito makikita yung bukasan sa grills. And then ito yung sa gasolina. Tapos ito naman yung power fold and power adjust. Then, ito naman yung bukasan sa hood plus yung design niya. May ambient light din siya dito. Then, this is a leather also. So, leather din yung upuan with green stitch. Kasing kulay ng color niya. So, ayan yung meter cluster niya with tire pressure monitoring, and it has 8-speed with dual clutch. Mga iba't ibang design niya. So, ayan. Tapos ito naman yung kanyang napakagandang steering wheel with green stitch also. So, ito green, tapos green din dito. So, partner siya nung paint niya. So, ito yung voice command. Tapos, ito naman yung sa lakasan ng sounds. And then, ito yung lipat. Then, ito naman yung adaptive cruise control. So, yeah, it's adaptive na. So, pag ito pinindot mo, and then, ito naman yung aircon niya. So, auto malakas. Then, ito naman yung fan. So, guys, ayun nga. Try lang. And then, ayan, so yung design. So, may wireless charging siya, guys. And then, ito yung start and stop button. And then, ito naman yung park return neutral drive with electric parking brake. So, punta tayo dito. So, Carbit Link, you are able to play Netflix and YouTube. Basta i-ano mo lang siya. Tingnan natin yung loob. You have music, radio, Bluetooth phone sa may vehicle. So, ayan, may open, close windows. When able to yun nga, open and close yung windows using dito sa LCD display. Tapos sa cockpit naman, yung side mirrors. Is may ventilation seat na rin kasi to katulad ng GS8. So, ayan. So, 3. Pag gusto ko rin so hindi siya sabay. Pero pa pwede sabay eh. Ayan, para parehas. So, ayan, may ventilation seat na siya. Tapos, Apple CarPlay din, and then sa Shadow Driver you have economy, comfort, and sports mode. When it comes to driving, ang lamig sa puwet. So, lang. Tapos settings, Carbit Link, ayan, may 360 camera rin. What an amazing. Ang pinagkaiba lang is sa GS8 kasi meron siyang options dito. Pipindutin mo na lang. Ito kasi, hahanapin mo pa. Tapos, ito naman. So, ganun din. Ito yung mga driver's assist. Lane departure, forward collision, active brake assist, speed limit sign, tsaka ESP on. So, ayun lang. Yun lang yung mga options. And then, you have cup holders here, tapos armrests with leather. So, leather din to. Ang ganda. Tapos, ambient light. So, ilang airbags to? So, it has 6 airbags, guys. So, super safe ka dito. So, if I want lights, yan. Tapos, naka-panoramic, hindi siya sunroof kasi hindi siya natatanggal. glass roof, panoramic glass roof. So, advantage niyan, maganda rin to. Kasi hindi magkakaroon ng leak sa loob. So, ayan din yung interior. Ayan. Sa loob. So, ito naman yung door sa second row. Tapos, ito yung bukasan. And then, maganda rin yung upuan niya sa likod. So, ito siya. Ganda. Panoramic sunroof. Glass roof. Tapos, it has 2 air vents and 1 USB charger. Okay, let's go! So, eto naman yung kanya LED tailgate lights. So, kasi yung ganda. Yan yung pinaka-design niya sa labas. Then, it has back camera. Then, electric tailgate. So, ayan, ganyan kalaki yung kanyang nasa loob. Then, 3-eye sensor, guys. So, nandito nga pala yung kanyang spare tire and tools. Plus EWD. Post natin. So, yun lang. So, guys, naka-promo nga pala to for only 98,000. All-in down payment. So, ayun, I hope marami kayong natutunan sa akin and nakapagbigay ako ng information sa inyo when it comes in buying your new car. So, I hope makonsider nyo to. And if you want to have a unit presentation and test drive, you can call my number on the screen. So, para mas ma-showcase ko sa inyo yung sasakyan. So, this is the end of the vlog and see you on my next episode. Bye-bye!